through the jing-jing jungle. Yeah. Through the jing-jing jungle where the tall trees sway, Nonu held a jigsaw map to show him the way. Twisty trails and turning paths, glowing emerald green, puzzle piece directions to each jungle scene. Left or right, up or down, where's the clue in this leafy town? Nonu laughed and tapped the map. Adventure's calling, tip tap tap. Oh Nonu, Nonu, brave and bright, solving jungle riddles with sunny delight, meeting friends along the trail, every clue a happy tale. Hop, skip, clap, hooray! It's a jungle jigsaw journey day. A monkey swung down with a giggly cheer. Need a clue, it's hidden near. They bounced on vines with playful fun till they found a shiny clue under the sun. Turn the map and check the sign. Look for shapes that twist and twine. Nonu smiled and high-fived air. Another piece, we're getting there. Oh Nonu, Nonu, brave and bright, solving jungle riddles with sunny delight, meeting friends along the trail, every clue a happy tale. Hop, skip, clap, hooray! It's a jungle jigsaw journey day. A lion softly padded in with a gentle roar, guarding puzzle pieces near the forest floor. They picked fresh veggies growing in a row, cooking tasty jungle stew with a friendly glow. Birds sang out, we need some aid, so Nonu cleared their leafy parade, helping